This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating where name resolution starts. Check the device DNS settings and router-assigned DNS servers, then set a public resolver temporarily. Next, flush the local DNS cache to remove stale records and avoid misleading errors. Use ipconfig/flushdins on Windows or the appropriate command on Linux/Mac OS. Once done, restart the router or modem to clear upstream cache. Finally, immediately test a reliable domain so you can tell whether the failure is device local or network-wide. You now dig into detailed resolution and routing. Inspect the host's file for accidental overrides that bypass DNS and remove any offending entries. Then perform ENS-lookup or dig against your configured DNS and a public resolver to compare answers and identify inconsistent records. Use traceroute or traceroute and ping to see whether packets reach the DNS server or target host. This shows whether the problem is name resolution or network routing. Make sure to document differing responses. That informs whether to change DNS or you finish by applying focused fixes based on your findings. If DNS responses were wrong, point devices or the router to a trustworthy resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 and retest. If routing or security software blocked queries, disable the VPN, proxy, or firewall rule momentarily and check again. Make the change permanent only after confirming it solves the issue. Finally, reboot affected devices to clear transient states. Troubleshooting tip: if the error persists, capture DNS query logs and share them with your ISP or admin for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.